Hallo ihr Lieben, wir sind heute am Kournas See. Wir hoffen, euch geht's gut, ihr genießt eure Zeit. Wir werden euch heute mal den Kournas See ein bisschen unten zeigen mit einem Walking-Video. Und später werden wir auch mit der Drohne drüber fliegen, um euch mal aus der Vogelperspektive alles zu zeigen. Wir wünschen euch ganz viel Spaß.
As Mika explained, we are here at Lake Kournas, and this is such an amazing place. As you can see here in the parking place, we have like many cars here. Seems to be a place where people love to be. So we will make the walk video of this place, and meanwhile at the end I will fly the drone to show you this whole place. And I'm starting the walk right now, and also consider liking this video if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to watch videos like this. Okay. Also good.
The jellyfishes, huh?
Yes. Free parking.
Yeah, why we pay €2 up there?
Because it is Tavernas parking.
Ach so.
Yeah. But if we pay €2, they also are responsible for the safety of the car.
Ja?
Yeah. We have some Cretan product, Greek products shop. Ferry of the Lake restaurant. Look, she is a fairy. Oh, I will not serve you.
No, he was not so uncomfortable with that.
No, I just wanted to let him be relaxed. Maybe he needed some more minutes. Okay, let's go very nicely. Walk till there, and then we will return to show the left side.
We are hanging so many
The onions, yes. It's very organic
Yeah.
to keep onions that way. This food, this area, they make the best arni here.
Oh, okay.
The
That's
lamb,
why they have that
lamb,
big
yes.
ovens with the
Lamb,
glass
chicken, yes, yes.
stuff around. That's a
Yeah.
very traditional way for the Cretans to make meat, no?
Especially meat eaters, this
Yeah.
is your place.
Yeah.
But they don't have it now, I don't know why.
It's not so busy here. Maybe because it's hot. Maybe in the evening, huh?
Maybe, yeah.
No, it's pretty hot now. Maybe it's not the time for meat also.
Okay, so they say cave taverna. I mean, something. I will also show in the drone these places in a close way. But if you are coming to Lake Kournas, this is what you will get here.
It's a very beautiful view down here. Let's go between the cars and then we can see that.
Yes, the view is gorgeous. It will be even more beautiful with the drone
Yes,
to show.
Yes.
Yes.
There it was a small beach down there.
Okay, so we have in the left side here restaurants just next to the lake. Mostly the tables, like people are sitting next to the, close to the lake and eating food.
Of course, it's a very good view there. No?
The view is gorgeous.
Yes.
Gorgeous. So good. To the beach.
Here you can rent paddle boats.
Yes.
Guys, you see the turtle? Beautiful.
Thank
Hi.
you.
Okay. So when we came from this side, and we noticed parking places, taverna, hotels, also along this street when we were coming, you know.
No.
So it's not just this area only, restaurants and taverna. There are pretty much many other restaurants and taverna around the lake. Many opportunities, yes. Yes. Oh,
And the kids have also
oh,
fun here.
yes, and kids are also having their fun.
Oh, look, here is laying a... It's not the best way to keep it.
Is it
I
Arabic?
don't like that. It's a rabbit, yes. Like a rabbit. Yeah, the one. Smaller version.
It smells so good. Smells so good.
It's a very peaceful place.
Yes. Free parking up there also.
Okay, next time maybe we will find a free parking place.
It's not free, completely free, you know. There is this catch to it. They say it's free parking. When you park, then you have to eat in the... I mean, maybe, I'm not so
Fair
sure.
when they do that.
That's not fair.
It's not fair.
Yeah. And if you were wondering how full this lake can get, you can also watch that video in my channel. Go check, you will find how full it was once. These hotels were completely underwater. Yes.
Are really all of that?
Yeah, not the top, the roof, but the where people are sitting area, it was completely underwater. You can check that video in my channel also.
Which time was it?
It was like the not the last winter, the one before the last winter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the winter.
But they said it was never full like this ever
Okay.
before.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
This will look gorgeous in the drone.
Yes.
Let's rent one of these. How much it will cost?
I don't know. You have to
Huh?
ask this guy upstairs.
We can
Maybe
also
that
rent it
people
from
ignore it.
downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then from there we will fly the drone. What do you think?
Good idea. Why not?
Yes. This is a good experience.
We will get one of these that I can in the
Yes.
water. But I think I'm a bit too. I mean, this is for children. I was stuck in.
You won't.
No,
Okay.
people will look in here. What do you think?
Hello.
Hello.
What's my friend?
Yes. How much does it cost?
Yeah, 7 euro small boat this, red,
Yeah.
yellow this.
Yeah.
Maybe swimming is better big one like car this.
Yes.
Steps for swimming. Not 12 euro, 10 euro. Normal
Okay.
price 12,
10 euros.
10.
For how much time?
1 hour. A little more no problem now. Today not much people.
Okay.
Very, very nice. On the side
Yeah.
there, look, turtles.
Yes,
All the
yes,
bits
yes.
There.
We would like to see those turtles.
Yes, nice, very nice. Just swim,
Yeah.
no problem. Look, water, very, very clean.
So we can sit on that green one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, slide, this. This.
No, no, no,
Oh,
no.
green one is like this.
Like this,
Yes,
that,
yes,
that
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Green one, yes, my friend. Yes.
Okay.
Slide car.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you, thank you.
we will
Okay.
not go swimming because now we don't have our swimming clothes with us.
But we can just
But
have
we
a good
will,
time.
yes, we will do that.
No problem.
Okay. Do we
Yeah.
have to pay now or
Yes,
later?
yes, okay.
Now you will. Okay. Then let's do that.
Very nice. Let's see, ευχαριστώ, my friend.
Yes.
Pocket, money, telephone, everything in the bag.
Okay, okay. I just have my cigarette with me.
Yeah, we have. Thank you very much.
It will be a hell of experience. Yes. Huh?
I don't have my bikini now. It's not working.
Welcome. Thank you.
Wait.
Careful. Okay.
That is a place for my bag.
Okay.
And that is a place
This is
in
it.
the middle for the drone. Very important stuff.
Okay.
Nah.
Yes. Next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is this the?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
this is the nice. I like that, no? I did that the last time in my town. We have also a lake
Yes.
with turtles in Germany.
I can put this here.
You wanted to go in this direction. You told me. Yes, you can do that.
No, it will not stay. So slippery. But for the moment it will stay. Okay, so as you can see, we are having a very good time here.
Yes. I like it that it has also here a roof, no?
Yes.
So you're in the shadow.
I'm in the shadow, but you
Yeah.
are a little bit in the
Yeah, I
sun.
have my heart, that's okay.
Okay.
I cared for you. Honey, I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah, have fun.
Okay. Oh, it is.
You want to go there?
Yes.
Yeah?
But see, it's tough. Here we can see the water under the water. Let me show them how far we came.
Yeah, we are quick. We're fast. Where are the turtles?
Turtles are there.
Let's go there.
Come on.
This direction. There.
I'm Capitan Jack Sparrow. Oh, let's go how fast we
Oh,
can.
the drone becomes wet.
That's waterproof. Yeah, keep it like that.
Yeah.
Now we have a flow. So we are the engine of this boat now. Human power.
Sounds like a motor.
Yes. I don't know who is putting more power, me or you. You. Let's not get tired, honey.
We have time. 1 hour or more, no problem. Say no problem.
No problem. Not too many people. So such a nice person. I really love that. And we have see ducks. Small wild ducks there.
Small.
It's natural place. That's why we don't have jet skis, you know.
Yes.
switch it on. But
You can also scan the QR code, das ist dann der Autopilot.
that's for the autopilot. I think it will take us forever to get to the other side.
I think you have to put some oil on the machine. Sounds
I'm
very
doing. You need to change the oil. Are you having a good time?
Yes, very nice. I like it. Oh yeah.
Let me fly the drone from here.
Good idea.
Yes.
Before 213.
Okay. Okay, so let's say that we will fly the drone and we will not make you wait more than this. And if you like this video, hit that like button, also subscribe. We will be making videos like this more and more.
Ja, ihr Lieben, wir wollen euch nicht länger warten lassen. Wir müssen ja noch ein bisschen was einstellen und so. Guckt euch das Video von der Drohne gleich mal an. Vogelperspektive vom Kournas See. Sehr, sehr, sehr schön anzusehen und viel Spaß dabei. Und bis zum nächsten Mal.